Alright, so you're thinking about dipping your toes into the world of cryptocurrency? Trust me, you're not alone. It feels like everyone and their grandma is talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all those coins with wild names. But where do you even start? Let's break it down with 5 simple tips for total beginners, designed to boost your confidence step by step. Tip number 1, start small. Seriously, don't go all in on your first day. Crypto can be super volatile, prices jump up and down like a roller coaster. It's way smarter to invest just a little bit at first, maybe even as low as $10. This way you get a feel for how things work, and there's less stress if things go sideways. Tip number 2, choose a reputable exchange. There are tons of platforms out there, but not all of them are safe. Stick to one of the big names, think Coinbase, Kraken, or Gemini. Set up strong passwords, enable 2-factor authentication, and double-check you're on the official site. Scams are real in crypto, so don't let your guard down. Tip number 3, learn the basics before you buy. I know, reading about blockchain might sound boring, but just 15 minutes of research can save you a lot of headaches. Understand what you're buying, how wallets work, and what terms like private key and public address mean. It's like learning to drive before you hit the freeway, totally worth it. Tip number 4, diversify. It's tempting to put everything into the next hype coin, but spreading your investments out lowers your risk. Maybe a little Bitcoin, a little Ethereum, a little Solana, just don't bet the farm on one thing. Crypto is unpredictable, so diversification is your safety net. Tip number 5, stay calm and play the long game. It's easy to panic when prices drop or get FOMO when they shoot up. But remember, even the pros can't time the market perfectly. If you believe in crypto, try to zoom out, think in years, not days. Patience is your best friend here. Bonus tip, never invest money you can't afford to lose. This one's non-negotiable. Crypto can make you money, but it can also burn you. Stay safe, stay smart. So, there you have it. My 5 beginner tips for starting your crypto investing journey. Start small, choose the right exchange, do your homework, diversify, and play the long game. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, and let me know which tip surprised you the most in the comments. Happy investing!